Understanding Plant-Based Diets, an academic exploration. This lesson aims to provide students with an academic understanding of plant-based diets, covering their definitions, various forms, and underlying principles. By the end of the session, students will gain insights into different plant-based eating styles, including vegan, vegetarian, and flexitarian diets, and the motivations driving these choices. The lesson sets the foundation for exploring how plant-based eating affects health, the environment, and ethical concerns. Interactive activities and practical applications are included to enhance engagement and promote critical thinking. By the conclusion of this lesson, students will be able to define plant-based diets and distinguish between their types, explain the foundational principles of plant-based eating, focusing on whole, minimally processed plant-derived foods, identify key motivations for adopting a plant-based diet, including health, environmental, and ethical factors. Analyze the benefits and potential challenges associated with plant-based diets. Apply practical approaches for incorporating plant-based eating into daily life. A plant-based diet emphasizes the consumption of whole plant foods, such as fruits, vegetables, legumes, nuts, seeds, and grains, while reducing or eliminating animal products. This approach prioritizes natural, minimally processed foods to enhance nutrition, sustainability, and overall well-being. For instance, it values whole grains like oats over more refined products like white flour. The diet's flexibility allows for variations in adherence, making it accessible for diverse lifestyles. 1. Vegan diet excludes all animal products, including meat, dairy, eggs, and sometimes honey. It is entirely reliant on plant-based sources for nutrition. 2. Vegetarian diet eliminates meat, poultry, and fish while potentially including dairy, lacto-vegetarian, eggs, ovo-vegetarian, or both, lacto-ovo-vegetarian. 3. Flexitarian diet primarily plant-based but allows for occasional inclusion of meat, fish, or other animal products, offering flexibility for individual needs. 4. Pescatarian diet excludes meat and poultry but permits fish and seafood, supplemented by a predominantly plant-based food intake. Adopting a plant-based diet offers numerous health advantages. Better heart health high fiber and low saturated fat intake reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. Weight management. Research links plant-based diets with lower body mass index and enhanced metabolic stability. Chronic disease prevention. Nutrient-rich plant foods lower the risks of diabetes, hypertension, and cancers. Plant-based diets contribute significantly to environmental sustainability by reducing carbon footprints. Livestock farming generates significant greenhouse gas emissions, which plant-based diets help mitigate. Conserving resources. Plant farming requires less land, water, and energy compared to animal farming. Preserving biodiversity. Reduced meat consumption limits habitat destruction and deforestation. Many people adopt plant-based diets based on ethical grounds. Animal welfare. Concerns about industrial farming practices encourage people to reduce or eliminate animal product consumption. Food equity. Shifting to plant-based diets can produce more food per acre of land, supporting global food security initiatives. While plant-based diets provide numerous benefits. Nutritional advantages. They are rich in fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, which promote overall health. Culinary diversity. A wide array of plant-derived ingredients enables creative and flavorful meal options. Challenges include Nutrient deficiencies. Vegans and vegetarians must monitor intake of B12, iron, and omega-3 fatty acids through fortified foods or supplements. Social and cultural barriers. Finding plant-based options in social settings or cultural traditions can sometimes be difficult. Cost of specialized products. Some plant-based alternatives, like vegan cheeses, may be costly. Self-assessment. Students will evaluate their current dietary patterns to identify ways to increase plant-based meals. Culinary engagement. Encourage participation in initiatives like a Meatless Mondays or experimenting with beginner-friendly recipes, such as lentil soup or stir-fried vegetables. Interactive activities. Students will create comparison charts for vegan, vegetarian, and flexitarian diets to analyze their differences and reflect on which aligns best with their goals. To conclude, students will reflect on questions such as: what personal motivations could inspire exploring plant-based eating? How can these diets address global sustainability issues? What obstacles might individuals face during a dietary transition, and how can they overcome them? This comprehensive exploration invites learners to think critically, equipping them with knowledge to make informed, sustainable dietary choices.